Sustainability Report Presentation, a virtual conference on corporate sustainability. Elena Rossi, Sustainability Director at Global Manufacturing, is presenting her company's latest sustainability report.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining my presentation on Global Manufacturing's 2025 Sustainability Report. Today, I'll provide a high-level overview of our performance, highlight key achievements, and outline our goals for the coming year. Before I begin, I want to acknowledge that sustainability reporting is a journey, not a destination. We are continuously learning and improving our approach to transparency and stakeholder engagement. We greatly appreciate your feedback and insights as we strive to become a more sustainable organization. Let's start with a brief overview of our reporting framework. This year's report has been prepared in accordance with the GRI standards, with additional disclosures aligned with the TCFD recommendations. We conducted a thorough materiality assessment to identify the ESG topics that are most important to our business and our stakeholders. These topics include
Greenhouse gas emissions, energy consumption, water usage, waste generation, worker health and safety, community engagement.
Our report covers our performance across all these material topics, providing data, analysis, and narrative explanations to give you a comprehensive picture of our sustainability efforts. Now, let's move on to our key achievements in 2025. We are proud to report that we reduced our greenhouse gas emissions by 15% compared to our 2020 baseline. This was achieved through a combination of energy efficiency improvements, renewable energy procurement, and process optimization. We decreased our water usage by 10% through implementation of water-saving technologies and improved water management practices. We achieved a 95% recycling rate for non-hazardous waste, significantly exceeding our target of 90%. We implemented a new worker health and safety program that reduced workplace injuries by 20%. These achievements demonstrate our commitment to integrating sustainability into all aspects of our business. If we hadn't focused on sustainability, we wouldn't have achieved these results. Let's now turn our attention to areas where we still have work to do. While we have made significant progress in reducing our environmental impact, we recognize that there are still challenges to overcome. Our energy consumption remains a significant area of focus. While we have reduced our overall energy use, we need to accelerate our transition to renewable energy sources to meet our long-term carbon neutrality goals. Our supply chain also presents a significant challenge. We are working with our suppliers to improve their environmental and social performance, but this is a complex and ongoing effort. Finally, we need to enhance our stakeholder engagement processes to ensure we're effectively addressing the concerns of our communities and other stakeholders. To address these challenges, we have established the following goals for 2026.
Reduce greenhouse gas emissions by an additional 10%. Increase the use of renewable energy to 50% of our total energy consumption. Implement sustainable sourcing practices for all key raw materials. Enhance our community engagement program to support local environmental initiatives.
We are going to achieve these goals through a combination of
Investments in new technologies and equipment, process improvements and efficiency measures, collaboration with our suppliers and customers, employee training and engagement, community partnerships.
The success of our sustainability initiatives depends on the commitment and engagement of all our employees. We are developing a new employee training program to help everyone understand their role in achieving our sustainability goals. We're also creating incentives for employees to generate ideas and participate in sustainability initiatives. Stakeholder engagement is also crucial. We're going to continue engaging with our customers, suppliers, communities, and investors to gather feedback, build relationships, and ensure our sustainability efforts are aligned with their expectations. Transparency and accountability are core values in our sustainability reporting. We have had our report verified by an independent third party to ensure its accuracy and reliability. We are committed to continuously improving our reporting practices and providing stakeholders with the information they need to assess our performance and hold us accountable for our commitments. We recognize that achieving our sustainability goals is a long-term journey that requires continuous effort and collaboration. We are committed to working with all our stakeholders to create a more sustainable future for our company and for the world. Thank you for your attention. I'm now happy to answer any questions you may have.